I can almost guarantee you that no matter where you practice or how you're practicing, your practice is not reaching its potential for what you want. You want a very high cost, low volume practice? Great. You want a very low cost, high volume practice? Great. But I will be willing to bet you that somewhere along your funnel you're leaking, and you can be much more effective with no more work. Hello there, everybody, and welcome to another episode of your 5-Minute Friday. I'm your host, Dr. Glenn Krieger. Today, I want to ask you about your practice. Now, you've all heard me talk about the $3 million practice more times than you can imagine, right? The reason I talk about the $3 million practice is because, for me, if I am a 3-day-a-week orthodontist working in a reasonable community with what I call reasonable fees, in that $5,000 range minimum, right? I think a $3 million practice, I think $1 million a day for the number of days you practice should be very doable, right? You should be able to do $3 million without killing yourself, without seeing 100 patients a day, if that's not what you want to do. If you do the math, right, at $5,000 per case, that's 600 starts a year, right? And if you break that down to say, let's just say you take off, 8 weeks a year. And these numbers should be supported by you working 3 days a week, taking off 6 to 8 weeks a year minimum, when you add up all the days you're working, right? So let's just call it roughly, 3 days a week for, let's call it 48 weeks a year. Or let's go less than that. Let's go 45 days. So you're talking 135 days a year you're working, right? Doing $3 million a year should be very, very doable. The numbers you're looking at are very, very sustainable. I know people doing way more than that on 3 days a week, and you can do that. And if you're not there and you say, well, Glenn, I don't want a $3 million practice with 80% overhead. It won't be, right? You can easily run a $3 million practice in the low 50s in most suburban communities. Now, there are people out there who tell you can run 35% practice. Anybody running a 35% practice in a suburban area, near a major metropolitan region, is a miracle worker, in my opinion. Now, it doesn't mean you can't run it in the high 40s, but when you start dealing with rents, like for instance, a rent in my area is going to be about $36 to $42 a square foot triple net. And that's in a suburban area in the Dallas-Fort Worth region. It gets a lot more expensive as you get closer to the city. And anybody who lives and works in a New York, DC, Boston, Philly, Dallas, LA, Chicago, they know what I'm talking about in terms of rents. If you're working, 35, 40 minutes outside of, Las Cruces, New Mexico, sure, rents aren't going to be $36 a square foot. But you have to ask yourself the question, if you're not at that $3 million number, why aren't you? Now, I say 3 million because I have so many doctors who come to me and go, hey, Glenn, I'm doing about 1.8, 1.6, 1.9, somewhere in that range, and I'm stuck. And I can't seem to go anywhere. How often do you work? And I work 4 days a week and every other Saturday. And I sit here and I shake my head and wonder, why are such smart people working so hard and struggling so much? And, we always have excuses. I've been there myself. I've made the excuses. I've said it's really saturated. Well, whose fault is that, right? You moved into that area. There's a lot of insurance here. Well, you knew that before you moved in, right? So you have a choice of either making excuses or making changes. And for a lot of people out there right now, you're going to turn this off and go to something else because you don't want to hear me say that. But for many of you, the ones I really respect so much, are grinding, are going to say, okay, forget the excuses. How am I going to make this better? And it's very, very straightforward, right? You have to have excellent marketing efforts. And again, I'm an abundance mentality guy. I think there's enough out there for everybody. But you got to have a very reasonable marketing efforts. You have to be able to convert your leads when they come through. That means good phone calls, good processes all the way through, a TC who you've trained effectively on handling objections and on closing cases, which, let's be honest, unfortunately, 99.9% of orthodontists have no idea how to close a case effectively. We rely on people coming in and hopefully starting, right? But sales was not something most people were taught at any point in their life. And of course, the patient experience needs to be great, and you need to be a wise leader and manager of your practice. And so I'm just going to sit here and say, if you're not doing the numbers you want to do you have something in writing that puts down what your projections are for the coming year in starts, in overhead, and everything? If you don't, start there. Put something down on a spreadsheet, simple enough, doesn't have to be crazy. that just basically says, here's what I'm going to produce this year, month over month over month. And if you're $1.8 million, don't push yourself and say, oh, I got to get to $3 million this year. No, what is the take home you want, right? If you want to do $3 million at a 52% overhead, right, give or take, so you're going to take home over $1.4 million, that is very reasonable on 3 days a week, on 45 weeks a year, and being able to really have a life. And again, I'm always here to help you in any way I can. If you aren't registered for the 4M meeting, the Make More Money meeting, that's in Nashville in October, what are you waiting for? I would definitely register for that meeting, because we're going to cover everything from start to finish, and you'll have the opportunity to talk to other doctors while you're there. It's going to be a small room, less than 250 total people, and most of that involves doctors and probably one key team member who's in charge of their sales funnel. It's very reasonably priced, very reasonably priced. If you're not there and you're not where you want to be financially, I don't know what you're doing. Because in that meeting, I'm going to show you and I'm going to share with you and give you a spreadsheet to help you with numbers for marketing. I'm going to give you a spreadsheet to help you with projections and what have you. And we're going to cover everything from start to finish, because it's the Make More Money meeting. Now, if you got enough money and you really don't care, that's cool. But notice, I'm not telling you got to treat 1 million patients, and I'm not telling you got to treat a few patients. I think you have to set up your dream practice for what you want, but are you being as effective in it as you want? I will almost guarantee the answer is no. I can almost guarantee you that no matter where you practice or how you're practicing, your practice is not reaching its potential for what you want. You want a very high cost, low volume practice? Great. You want a very low cost, high volume practice? Great. But I will be willing to bet you that somewhere along your funnel, you're leaking, and you can be much more effective with no more work. So sign up for the meeting. It's the 4M meeting. DM me if you have questions. I think it's 4mortho.com is the link to get to, and I hope to see you there. But again, the numbers I'm talking about are very realistic, very sustainable, being done by many, many people out there, and it just takes doing things a little differently. And sometimes it's a matter of learning how to do it differently, and that's where I'm here to help you. Wishing you the best and have a great day.